Okra is the most important vegetable crop of the world's tropical and subtropical climate. It is commonly known as lady's fingers due to its long finger shape. It is also known as gumbo, okro, or bindi. Many of us think that okra is a vegetable. No. Okra is a fruit. This is according to science and experts. The okra leaves, buds, and flowers are also eaten in West Africa and South Asian people. This is one of the favorite ingredients when making soups and stews, and this is the most typical ways to consume okra. It contains mucilage, a gelatinous substance, when heated, acts as a natural thickener. Okra can also survive in intense temperatures. And this fruit is easy to plant, it does not require extreme care. This is good news for farmers who want to plant and grow okra. Furthermore, due to the durability of this fruit, it is probably a major crop found in countries around the world. On this video we will be showing you how this small fruit can bring health benefits to your body. Rich in vitamins and minerals. Okra is high in vitamins and high in many minerals. This fruit is remarkable because it contains protein, a nutrient not found in many other fruits and vegetables. It is a fact that this fruit is beneficial to our health. Okra contains the following vitamins and minerals: vitamin K, vitamin C, vitamin B6, vitamin A, folate, carbohydrates, potassium, sodium, protein, magnesium, fiber, and thiamine. So what are you waiting for? Start eating okra right now. Okra is high in antioxidant. Antioxidants are natural substances that assist your body in combating molecules known as free radicals, which can cause damage to our cell. Free radicals are most known for their ability to cause oxidative damage. An imbalance between free radicals and antioxidants in your body is known as oxidative stress, which can eventually lead to many diseases. Polyphenols, which are antioxidants, are found in okra, can help you to fight free radicals. When you fill up your body foods that are high in antioxidants, you're helping your body to fight toxins, and protect your body against some chronic diseases. May help to fight cancer. Cancer is a serious health disease marked by excessive abnormal cell spread and development in a person's body. Every year, nearly a million new instances of cancer are discovered around the world. Researchers revealed that lectin, a type of protein, newly discovered component in the seeds of okra, can prevent human-specific cancer cells. However, this research is conducted under controlled laboratory test environment. More research is needed to see if okra can truly help people with cancer. Lower the risk of heart disease. Cholesterol has been linked to a variety of cardiac illnesses and conditions. Okra fiber can help lower harmful cholesterol levels by preventing cholesterol from being absorbed into our bodies. This fiber not only maintains our hearts healthy, but it also keeps your body from having cardiovascular illness. Help to normalize blood sugar level. Okra seeds have the ability to normalize blood glucose and lipid levels, which may aid in the natural prevention of diabetes. Okra's fiber helps manage blood sugar levels by slowing the pace at which sugar is absorbed in the intestine. It helps to lower blood sugar levels in the body by decreasing the absorption of sugar as it travels through the intestines. Good for pregnant women. Folate is necessary for preventing congenital defects throughout pregnancy. Low folate levels can lead to a loss of a pregnancy and complications for the child. Foods high in folate, such as okra, are especially helpful for pregnant women. 1 cup of okra can help pregnant women to meet their required folate. Okra contains nutrients that are useful to pregnant women and improve the baby's proper growth. Help improve digestion. According to experts, the fiber level content of okra can aid in digestion. The high fiber content of the okra improve the digestion and absorption of nutrients in the intestinal tract and accelerated the bowel movement in the body. Eating okra also aid in the prevention of diarrhea and strengthen digestive system. Reduce stress. Another important benefit of okra is its capacity to reduce stress and improve mood. Okra's magnesium content can aid with anxiety, while the essential amino acid content of okra can improve mood and improved mental health. Okra can be prepared in a variety of ways, and can add to many different dishes. Next time think about this fruit, and add it to your shopping list if you want to test a new ingredient that has a lot of health benefits. We hope you found the information in this video useful. I hope all of us are in good health. As always, this video is for educational purposes only. Please consult your doctor before making any decisions. Also, please do me a huge favor and hit the subscribe and like button. It really helps support the channel, and I greatly appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you're looking for a video like this, look no further. Please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you.